Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, we'll explore setting up a proxy within the Signal Messenger for both Android and iOS users. Signal stands out for its encrypted messaging services, ensuring secure texts, audio, and video communications, all underpinned by its commitment to privacy through open source technology. Using a proxy can further bolster your connection's security or help bypass restrictions. Let's get started. For Android users, follow these steps. Open the Signal app and navigate to Settings. Scroll to find Data and Storage, and then tap on Use Proxy. Toggle the slider to activate the proxy settings and begin entering your details. For those using a free proxy, input the proxy IP address and port, using a colon for separation. If you're using a private proxy, format your entry as follows: IP, port, username, password. Signal will automatically verify the proxy, finalizing your setup. For iOS users, the process differs slightly. Open the Signal app and head to Settings. Navigate to Privacy and open the Advanced settings. Locate and select Proxy from this menu. Activate the proxy by toggling the slider and start inputting your proxy details. If you're using a free proxy, simply enter the IP address and port, separated by a colon. For private proxy users, adhere to this format: IP, port, username, password. After entering the details, save the changes. Signal will conduct an automatic verification of the proxy details. A quick reminder, working with free proxies may not guarantee safety and anonymity, potentially leading to blocking. For maximum online anonymity and security, we recommend considering the purchase of a private proxy. Our company, Proxy-Seller, offers 100% online anonymity, performance guarantees for your chosen use case, and 24/7 customer support. Check the video description for a 10% discount coupon code and a link to our website. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.